My name is Dr. Marissa May, and I get a lot of questions about systems of equations that end up like different. And how do we know? What's the answer supposed to be? So I want you to take a look at this problem I have here. I have 2y equals 3x plus 2 and 4y equals 6x plus 8. Now, I went and tried to use the elimination method to solve this. And so I multiplied that first equation by -2. You can see it there in my first line. -4y equals -6x plus -4. And then I added it to the second equation, and look what I got as my answer. 0 equals 4. Now, I'm used to getting answers like x equals 2, y equals 3, things like that. But I don't have any variables here. I just have 0 equals 4. And so I got to thinking, what does that mean? Well, 0 doesn't equal 4. That's a very important point we want to make from the beginning. 0 doesn't equal 4. So because it's not true, then that means there's no solution. But let me let you in on a little secret. If that equation were true, if it said 4 equals 4 or 0 equals 0, that would be true all the time, and your answer would be infinite solutions. So I hope this helps you so that you don't get confused on which solution is it, and it'll help you down the path with solving your systems of equations. Bye, friends.